Hey guys, today I am back with my first unboxing of an SCT sampler kit in about, 4 or 5 months? I have still been receiving it during my hiatus from YouTube, but obviously I wasn't making unboxing videos for it. This is the March 2019 SCT sampler kit, which means I have been receiving it for a full year because my subscription started in March of 2018. We're a year in now. I'm still very happy with the products that I've been receiving. It's a really great value in my opinion. So it always comes with this little card. The front will have a quote on it related to the theme of the kit, and then the back of the card is a listing of the products that are in the kit. So this month it says "A dream is a wish your heart makes," and actually it's pretty great because the theme of a good chunk of the papers and whatnot in this kit this month are birthday related, and that's kind of the theme of the crafting I'm doing this month. It's not all birthday related, but a good chunk of it is, so that's extremely good timing since I'm still working on that stuff. So first up we have the SCT exclusive word, which is wish, and it also came with a little matching star. There was some confetti of sorts scattered throughout the bag. There were these little tiny mini pom-poms and some sequins, so I just took them out of the bag and tossed them into little baggies so I didn't lose them. There is this Hero Arts Greetings birthday stamp set. Then the first of the two collections that are included in this month's kit is the Hooray collection by Crate Paper. It includes 6 6x6 double-sided papers. This one is called Cheers. This one is called Confetti. This is, as you might guess, called Yay. This one is called Frosted. This one is called Party. And this one is, unsurprisingly, called Cake. There was also this birthday card included. It was not listed on the list of items, but it's very clearly from the same collection. We have some cut-aparts and ephemera. And finally we have some cardstock stickers up top and some foam glitter stickers as well. And finally we have some items from the Doodlebug Simply Spring collection, starting with a number of 6x6 double-sided papers. This one is called Blue Skies. This one is Under My Umbrella. This one is called Playful Plaid. This is Dot to Dot. This is my absolute favorite because these frogs are ridiculously adorable. This one is called Hoppy Spring. And this one is called Pop of Posy. Next we have a doodle pop of a vase full of flowers. I won't lie, I kind of wish it was that frog, but what are you gonna do? And then we have some ephemera pieces. And then my other favorite part, this jelly clip, which is obviously an embellished paper clip, and it is ridiculously adorable. And that is it for this month's SCT sampler kit. Once again, I'm very happy with these products. I'm excited to play with them, and since a lot of it fits into the theme of the crafting I am doing this month, I'll be playing with them very soon. I will leave a link below to the Scrapbooking Cards Today website where you can sign up for the SCT sampler kit yourself if you would like to give it a try. I highly recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.